Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf, and I got some happy mail from my sister. Alright, took some finagling. She loves tape. I think it runs in the family. My dad was that way and so am I. Alright, so I know some of what's in here. Not long ago, we both wanted to get a boy Blythe doll. Okay, I thought I was videotaping and I saw it was not running, so lost my train of thought. Got to figure out where I was. Okay, so my sister Tammy Pally of Peacecraft Dolls and I have been on the search for boy Blythe dolls for some time. And they're really expensive and hard to find, but she did find some, but they didn't have any eyes. They was a lot of stuff they didn't have. So they needed some TLC, so to speak. We're gonna get to him in just a minute. I want to see what else is in here. Oh, I know what this is. It goes with him. This is cool. I know she has this dress that she never wears, and she wondered if I would like it, and I said sure. So that's what that is. Anyway, let's get to the Blythe doll. I'm really excited about that. So I don't know what's up with my phone. I had an update yesterday and it is acting so stupid. I videotaped a whole bunch, talked about his jacket and his shoes and everything and what he's got on, but none of it taped and I don't understand why. Let me see if this is taping. It looks like it is, but let me see if it really is. All right, it looked like it's working now. So take two. Let's look at the jacket. It's not on him now. But I think those are real pockets. It looks like a zipper, but it's not. It's made to look like maybe he's wearing his jacket, leather jacket, over a sweatshirt. This is a really nice jacket. It's very detailed. And here's his shoes. You know, he is a surfer dude, so, and it's, Louisiana here is very hot. We are actually down to, I think, the high 90s today, but it's still pretty warm. So I've got his jacket off and he's got his shoes off, but look at these pants. Aren't they cool? They just have little tears in them. And this is a Beauty and the Beast shirt. It velcros in the back, so it's easy to get on him. And some of the accessories that came with this outfit was this plastic thing, which in my opinion is kind of hokey. He will not be wearing that. Some sunglasses, which are too little for him. That's okay. And this thing, I'm not for sure what it's supposed to be. Maybe a backpack? I don't know. And I wanted to kind of give you a little close up on the jacket. See, it's got little rips in it. And these are not real pockets. I thought they were. Oh, that's a rose. That's, you know, in Beauty and the Beast, the rose that's in that container. I think that's what that's supposed to be. Now, like I said before, I think I said before, I did say before, but I don't know if it actually is, it's going to come across that I've said it before in this video since I've been having problems taping. But I did mention that he is a beach boy. My sister, Tammy Pally of Peacecraft Dolls, she did the face up and everything on him. There wasn't really much to do. She had to do his eyes. He did not come with eye chips. And she had a lot of problems with the eye chips. With getting his head back on and then the mechanism working correctly. You need to go check her video out on all that over at Peacecraft Dolls. And just see the process that she went through. She has a doll just like this that she had problems with his eyes too. But aren't these pretty? I chose the eye chips. I chose the side blue. Look at those. They're kind of a blue-green. I like green eyes. And I can't remember. I think I got purple and gray are the other ones. But I wanted some type of green. But I really, really like these. So they're kind of a blue-green. Oh, those are beautiful. Wish my eyes were that color. And these are kind of they're a side, I don't know what you would call them. They're kind of a brown, but they're almost a coral, orangey. I don't know. I don't know what color they are. Aren't they pretty though? Those are nice. And here's the purple. Aren't those pretty? By the way, I'm still having issues with my phone. I don't know what it turns. When I turn it on, it turns it off. So when I turn it off, it turns it on. If that even makes any sense at all. Oh, those are really pretty. I do think these are my favorite though. So there's my boy Blythe doll. I am going to decorate his little poles there. Of course, they will be beachy. He is my surfer dude. And I believe I'm going to name him Destin after Destin Beach, Destin, Florida. But I'm not 100% sure yet. If you have a name that you like better, let me know. I would like a boy beach name. Tammy did a little bit of a face up. She did color his lips a little bit and his eyelids she matted. Other than that and putting him in these fancy clothes, that's pretty much all she did. And I really like him. I like the simple look. Now I just need to find him some clothes to go to the beach with. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf signing out for now. Bye-bye.